Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydread. Tommy Sparta for Sumfest. Yes, just days after his release from prison, Sumfest has announced that the Sparta boss has been added to the lineup. Sumfest this morning took to Instagram saying, quote, Sumfest, get ready for the Spartan soldier to take over the stage July 21, end quote. Now Tommy Lee's addition follows that of Minister Marion Hall. Her addition to the lineup had critics in a frenzy, mainly because of the picture used for the advertisement. Many feel the photo was too revealing for a gospel act. Sumfest has been rolling out the list of performers, which also include Morgan Heritage and Richie Spice. Now, Dua Lipa vacays in Jamaica. The double platinum artist was in Jamaica last week at the exclusive Golden Eye Resort and posted photos where she sported an array of stunning ensembles with the caption, living on island time. Now, a lawsuit against Donald Glover over alleged copyright infringement on his Childish Gambino track, This Is America, has been dismissed. Released in 2018, Glover's This Is America won Song and Record of the Year at the 2019 Grammy Awards. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydream. Thank you for watching.